Hello, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today's the 12th of December 2014. Looking at the Forex majors using the Elliott Wave Analysis. Before we start, please go through the disclaimer, stop and read at your own leisure, as well as the hypothetical performance. Okay, so let's go to the charts. I'm going to start with the US dollar index right now. I'm starting on the daily chart and I'll break that down as we go through. So on the higher, let me give you the wave count right now. The higher wave degree count is the intermediate, that's green, and in brackets it's if we go all the way back to time, let's go to the weekly chart. Weekly chart, you can see we started our wave count down here on the low of 7th of August 2011, and then wave 1 went up to the high of 14th of July 2013, then down to the low of 29th of June 2014, and now we're looking for a wave 3 for completion, which we believe our wave 3 is at this target end where this wave 3 green ends. Move down to the daily chart so we can have a little bit better understanding of the substructures. So we're in a wave 3 of an intermediate. Its substructures is the minor, which is pink, and we can see wave 4 has come down to the low here on the 11th of December, just today, and we'll get a better understanding on that as we move down the time frames. Taking it down to the 4-hour chart, as you can see, the 4-hour fourth wave of the minor is showing here at this low here at 11,365, and its substructures is the minute, that's blue and in Roman numbers. So we're in the process of wave 1 completed and a wave 2. I've taken several entry points right now. As you can see, I've taken 3 entries. 2 entries are at the high here of this current candle, expecting a long position. I'm expecting to take various different locations. So let me give you the I've got 2 entries here at 11,420. I've taken another entry at 11,455, and that's the high of this wave 1, and that would be 100% move. That wave 2 to wave 3 would be 100% move off that wave 1, and the first profit target we could probably take as a profit target can come into play at this location, 11,490, and the second profit target, let me remove that because that's confusing us. Move that up there. Okay, second profit target is at 11,547, and the third profit target is at 11,692. So what I've done, I've actually taken an entry on a 4-hour. You can even knock it down to the 1 hour if you want to get a little bit more granular, and you can look at how everything looks a little bit better. So as you can see, the 4-hour on the SSD slow stochastics is pointing upwards with a buy position, so that can trigger us off. Awesome oscillator is also giving us a positive sign for the movement to go up, and that can trigger us in right into both trades. I'll move back to the 4-hour chart, and then you can see really where we're looking on this. We could probably, I've done a channel line here off the 3 to 1 and 4 to 2 waves of the minor, and we can just expect to see our profits move forward. Okay, now let's move to the Euro-US dollar. As you can see, take it from the daily chart. Daily chart, as you can see, we're in a wave 4 of the minor degree, and its substructures is the minute, which is also currently in a wave C position. Very interesting. This wave C a push upwards, but we're looking for our trades to come down. So we're going to take an entry at the 28.71, but we got a long way off before that can occur. Let's move down into the frameworks of what we've got. So we're in the 4-hour chart now. I can see the SSD is looking for a buy signal here. This wave 2 currently is now in progress, and a wave 3 could be an occurrence for that, and we can see we've drawn our channel lines here. This is probably where the wave 3 can end for a wave 4, wave 5, and that will complete the C position of its higher wave degree, which is the minute, and that will complete the wave 4, and then we can start to look for the trades down. So that's that situation. Moving to the US Japanese yen. US Japanese yen, yeah, we're looking for price to come further down for this wave 4 of the intermediate, that's green in brackets, to complete, and that's on the daily chart. I'll knock it down to the 4-hour chart. As you can see, wave 4, its substructures is the minor, and that's in a corrective move. That's an ABC pattern. The C move is a 5-wave move off a minute, that's in blue and in circles. So you can see wave 1 hasn't yet quite completed. We're probably look, we could put it like that, but in reality it's not yet completed as far as I'm concerned. So we're going to have to wait for this move to end before we take a long position at 113.828, and the ultimate target would be 124.295, and that would complete the wave 5. In terms of our stop loss, we haven't put it in yet because we can't see the move. As the days progress, we will actually put that in. US Swissy, we're in the trade right now, 60 pips in profit. As you can see, we put a channel line in here from 3 to 5, and we had marked up this as a triangle, and as time progressed, the channel price hit the top and then came down again, retested it and gone up and come down. We're now believe that we've completed that wave 2 of the larger wave degree, which is the intermediate move, intermediate wave. Knock it down to the 4-hour chart. As you can see, the 4-hour chart shows us clearly the wave 1 of the subordinate wave of intermediate. Intermediate is green in brackets, its subwaves are a minor, that's pink, and breaking that down further is the minute. So currently we're in a wave 2 of the minor wave, and wave 1's completed at the low here of 11th of December, and wave 2, we're in the 1-hour chart right now. 1-hour chart, wave 2 completed at 11th of December at 7 o'clock, and now we're in a wave 3 downwards. That's right, we're in a wave 3 downwards, and off the minute degree, wave 3 off the minute, which is blue in circles. Could it be completed? Possibly. We're looking then for a wave 4 to take us into the trade at the respective level 96.60, and that will take us down all the way down. Okay, now let's move to the US Aussie US. I should apologize for that. Aussie US. From the larger wave degree pattern, as you can see, we're in a wave C off the intermediate, that's an ABC position, and to complete that, its substructures with the minor wave has to complete its 5 waves. So there's 1, there's 2, we're in a wave 3 of the minor wave. Its subordinate waves is the minute, that's blue Roman numbers and in a circle, and that has completed 1, 2, 3. Wave 3 could be completed, taken up to the wave 4. When we hit the wave 4, we're looking at various entry levels at 86, 66, and we're putting our stop quite high at 90.12 and moving our things down. But we got a few days before that can happen, and profit target 76.99. Okay, fine. Let's now move to the pound dollar. And I'll start I like starting from the daily chart and then moving my way down. Okay, so I'll give you the wave count. We started wave count at 0.0 here at 14th of July high 2014. Wave 1 of the primary, wave 2 of the primary, wave 1 of the primary completed here on 9th of September 2014. Then 19th of September high, wave 2. We're in a wave 3. We want the wave 3 to come down to this level, which is our target level, 1.4693. Subordinate waves are the intermediate, that's green and in brackets, and we believe that the wave 3 has completed, but anyhow we're looking for now price to go up to hit the wave 4 at an entry point at 57.85. That's right, traders, and stop level at 59.36. So then afterwards, what we're going to do, we're going to expect to complete this particular wave 3, wave 3 of the larger wave degree pattern. Okay. If you want to have a look, let's go down to the 4-hour chart and let's just see what we're looking at. Yeah, that's how we're looking at it. There's the wave 3, wave 4 to come up there, and wave 5. And of course we can break this down. This will be an A, B, C corrective move. A, B, C, yep. And okay, fine. Now let's move to the US CAD. And I'll take it from the daily and then bring it down for you traders. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So wave 2 is of the primary, which hasn't yet been completed at the high here. We're looking for that completion to be at 1.1653, and we're looking for its substructures, which is an ABC corrective of subordinate, which is the intermediate, to have completed. For that to complete, we need the 5 waves of the minor waves, and that hasn't yet completed. We're believing the 5th wave. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be looking for divergence in our awesome oscillator, in our SSD, to see the divergence between wave 3 and 5. So from here to here, we'll have to look at the smaller patterns or charts accordingly. So let's knock that down a little bit down so we can get a little bit more feel on that. So that's really where we're looking at it, traders. As you can see, that's what we're looking. The substructure of the minor is the minute, that's blue and in circles. So it has a 5-wave pattern move in there, and as you can see, there's 1. Oops. There's 4 and there's 5, and the 5th wave, of course, will have its own substructures of a 5-wave move. There's 1, there's 2, 3 hasn't yet completed, so we're waiting for 3 to complete, 4, and then 5. And if we want to follow it a little bit further, we can follow that wave 3 with the 5 waves of the minuet, which is 1 subminuet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're looking strongly for divergence all over the place, and that's going to be our indicative sign that it's close to completion. Okay traders, that's me. I'm ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Thank you.